going on, everyone? Standing here at a small crossing with no gates, just south of the Clearwater Yard office and the Belleair siding, waiting for L791 to make its appearance. It's coming from the south. I can hear him. Can't see him. As L791 was pulling up to my location, I wasn't exactly sure what was happening. But as you can see, when they disconnect the locomotives from the rest of the train, it's quite clear that something's going on. What they're doing is servicing the one industry here, Suburban Propane. I didn't know that they were going to be doing this today, so I don't exactly have the best vantage point. So this will have to do. And as you can see here, they're shoving through the turnout and they have an empty hopper car, which is required whenever hauling tankers. It's there to keep the crew and the locomotive safe. Real quick, I'm at the dropped pin at the bottom of your screen there. I thought it would be a good idea to show an aerial view of my location. Suburban Propane is just down the line, and it ducks off into the trees, as you can see here. This customer had stopped being served by CSX at one point, but has since continued, which is good to see for L791. Now I believe they have a conductor in training today, as indicated by the orange vest there. You can see he helps the conductor throw the switches as we continue on. As you can see, when they make it around the corner, they have two tanker cars that they've picked up from Suburban Propane. At this point, I was like, great, they're going to finally pass me, I'll get a great shot. Unfortunately, I didn't realize that they were only hooking one tanker car up to the rest of the train, which means bringing the other one back down the spur into Suburban Propane again. So now, round two. They're going to pull forward and then shove that one tanker car back down into Suburban Propane. Yeah, alright, we've seen it already before. They're pulling out of Suburban Propane, and they're going to hook back up to their train and head down the main line. If you want to call it a main line, it's the only line. Alright, as you can see, both conductors are climbing in the cab, and we can expect them to come my way. siding, which is just north of where I was. Both conductors are hopping off the train to disconnect the locomotive from the rest of the consist. They're tying up here. And I just want to give a shout out to the crew of L791 and whoever recognized me in my Facebook post the other day. I took a couple pictures of L791 street running in downtown Clearwater from my last video and posted them in a CSX Facebook group. Well, these guys saw it and recognized me and they said, "What's up?" And I appreciate that. Thank you guys. Wondering what was going on as they're backing down the main line here, but my suspicions were correct when they backed down the line to throw the switch for the siding that they had dropped the cars on. Even though that this is the only train that runs on this line, they must throw the switch back to the main. L791 pulling up to the Clearwater yard office to tie up for the day. I want to thank everyone for watching this video. I hope it wasn't too boring. If you enjoyed what you see, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.